Hey guys, Sean here with SE Shirts and Hoodies, and today we're going to be unboxing this brand new Aeolus, I don't even know if I'm saying it right, by BBC dryer that we've been waiting for. So we're going to start, after the intro, we're going to get right into it. Alright guys, so the dryer is already all the way in. It took a few days just because the electrician, I had to wait for him to get out here. He had to order some wire to run it through that plug because it needed a different wire. Here's the other dryer. It's wall art right now, so if you guys want to buy this dryer, get a hold of me, email me. We'll get it to you. It's under 4K. It's brand new still. I used it twice. Right now it's just wall art, so if one of you guys could use it, reach out to me. So here's the dryer. As you know, or if you don't know, this dryer is touchscreen. The reason why I went with this dryer right here is because not only does it dry plastisol, water-based, but it also dries DTG. So if we go into here, obviously I'm still brand new at this, but if we go to recipes, see how it says DTG? There's another DTG one, like Hold on, I think that's the wrong spot. Hold up. Presets. That's where, okay, so there's the Plastisol light, Plastisol dark, water-based light, water-based dark, DTG dark, DTG light. There it is. And all you do is just, like, if I was gonna do DTG light, just hit download, go home, and it's already preset. So this thing is sweet. It heats up super quick, and let's say we're gonna shut it down, it shuts itself down in 10 minutes. So now we gotta hear that fan. We also had to get some HVAC guy over here to connect that tube all the way to the exhaust on the outside of the building. This dryer is, I hate saying the price on videos because it seems like somebody emails me and says, hey, how come my price isn't yours? But this dryer right here is right around under 20 grand. So 36-inch bout. This thing's a monster. The reason why I like it so much is because obviously I could dry DTG, I could dry Plastisol, and it's super easy to use. And again, time is money, so the quicker I could get the job done, the more money I'm gonna make on that job. So we're gonna get some B-roll of this. So I'm gonna get a little bit of B-roll so you guys can see. The one thing that I did see that I didn't like, this dryer being so expensive, is, oh, it's the stickers on the other side. But the sticker was like, poor vinyl job. Poor vinyl job. Like, I don't really care because it's vinyl and it's against the wall, but still, when you're paying this much money for a dryer, you expect it to come out crisp. So, but very easy to set up. These two legs, obviously, we put on, and then we put the belt on. Sorry I didn't record those. We're always busy around here. Got it wired in through the 3-phase. Got it exhausted out, and that's pretty much that. So we will be doing some tutorials on this with DTG. So I know a lot of people have asked me, will conveyor dryer dry DTG? Yes, it will. And we're gonna have some tutorials coming out pretty soon, so stick around. If you guys want to support the channel, and if you guys want to purchase one of these dryers, email me. Let me get a little bit of commission, and you know, support the channel. So without you guys, I can't keep growing. So I appreciate everything. If you guys need anything, reach out to me. Follow us on IG. Like, subscribe, share. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video after you guys see this dope B-roll.